Hey everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude here with another Jurassic World toy review. So today we'll be taking a look at the Dinorivals Velociraptor Echo figure. I recently found this guy at Walmart here in Canada, which is surprising as this lineup's figures were not released up here, which includes the Dimorphodon and the monolophosaurus. But we did get the Herrerasaurus and some other figures as well. But yeah, so this figure was most likely returned by someone who bought it online or some other case. So it doesn't really give me high hopes for the rest of this line being released here, as the box is very damaged and it's a low chance that this is like a full release of the lineup. And plus this is a 2019 figure, seeing as it's already 2020, I don't think this guy or the rest of its line will be showing up anytime soon or at all here in Canada. But anyways, so I was very excited to find this guy, very lucky. I was about to order it online, but I'm glad I didn't. I'm glad I found it. So let's get right into it. Little tab at the back of the box. And let's get the card out. There we go. So there's the little card it comes with, some cute artwork, Dinorivals, and here's the figure. It's a repaint of the first line's green Velociraptor. It's in a downward crouching position. Its jaw has articulation, and it's a decent paint job. I know the Camp Cretaceous Echo, people are saying that's a lot more detailed, and of course, being the new and improved version, it is. But I do like the simplicity of this figure, like the paint job and everything. Sure, it's very dull and basic, but it really fits in with the rest of the basic Raptors, like these guys. So now I've got a complete Raptor squad. There's not much else to say about this figure. I do like that they did a repaint of the Crouching Raptor to give some diversity to the basic Attack Pack Raptor lineup, seeing as Blue and Delta share a similar mold, and then, yeah, this is Delta, and Charlie has longer legs. So yeah, I really enjoy this figure, and I'm glad to have my hands on it finally. It's a really nice piece to the collection, and despite what others say, I do enjoy the color and detail and pattern. So yeah, and it scales up well with Owen as well. So there you go. That is the Raptor squad lineup. So thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed, leave a like and comment down below, and subscribe for more content. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.